I am at Hadapsar Gliding Centre in Pune to experience the joy of gliding. The glider is being pulled from the hangar to the airstrip. If you want to experience the joy of gliding, visit on Sunday, as it is open day for joyrides, and Monday to Thursday are for training. And the airfield is not operational during the monsoon. I'm going to fly in this LET L23 Super Planic glider. So Mr. Goswami is my pilot. So all set for flying and waiting for the signal to take off.
Glider Lima ready for takeoff.
So we have received a signal. So the glider is being pulled up using a winch which is located at the far end of the runway. After getting the airborne, the rope will get detached. The bird eye view of the Pune city is in front of me, and it is really spectacular. And to experience such view, you don't have to shell out a fortune for it. It costs only 187 INR for this joyride. So let's enjoy this ride. The experience is calming as there is no engine sound to disturb you, and you fly wherever the wind wants to take you. You can feel the wind blast from this small vent. It is a raw experience as there is no luxury like commercial planes. You even feel the effect of G-force on your body when flying at an altitude of 3 to 4,000 feet. It is like a tickling-like experience. So it is the time to land. This ride will last for 5 to 10 minutes, and it entirely depends upon the weather condition. So we have landed. It is really a lifetime experience. If you are in Pune, do visit and experience it. For more details, you can check out the description. That's all for now. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.